Have you ever wondered about the Ayurvedic perspective on the foods we eat daily? Consider boiled rice, a staple in many diets worldwide. Would you believe that Ayurveda, one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems, has quite a bit to say about this humble grain? Well, prepare to be enlightened. Boiled rice, or shashtika shali as it is known in Ayurveda, is more than just a simple food item. It is a treasure trove of health benefits that can contribute significantly to our overall well-being. First on the list of benefits is the ease of digestion. Boiled rice is light on the stomach, making it an ideal food choice for all, irrespective of their individual constitutions. It has a calming effect on an aggravated Pitta dosha, thus promoting healthy digestion. Secondly, boiled rice is known to balance our doshas. With its neutral energy, it helps maintain a harmonious balance between the Vata and Kapha doshas, a key aspect of Ayurvedic health philosophy. Thirdly, boiled rice is a good source of vital nutrients, including carbohydrates, fiber, and some minerals. Consuming boiled rice can therefore provide sustained energy levels and support various bodily functions. Fourthly, boiled rice has a role in detoxification. Ayurvedic practitioners often recommend it as part of cleansing diets, as it aids in the removal of toxins from the body. Fifthly, boiled rice can contribute to satiety and weight management. Its fiber content helps you feel full, preventing overeating and supporting healthy weight maintenance. Sixthly, the carbohydrates in boiled rice ensure a steady release of energy, avoiding sudden blood sugar spikes and crashes. This is particularly beneficial for those seeking to maintain a consistent energy level throughout the day. Lastly, boiled rice is an integral part of several Ayurvedic preparations like kheer and kanjis. These dishes are believed to nourish the body and promote vitality. However, it's crucial to remember that everyone's dietary needs are unique. Therefore, it's always advisable to consult with an Ayurvedic practitioner for personalized dietary advice. While boiled rice is generally considered a wholesome food in Ayurveda, maintaining a balanced diet that aligns with your unique constitution and health goals is of paramount importance. So the next time you enjoy a serving of boiled rice, remember, you're not just eating a meal, you're partaking in a centuries-old tradition of holistic health and wellness. Now, isn't that something to savor?